I made it down here to the blue waterfall. I'm making my way down. It's quite intense as far as going up and going down. It's also raining like crazy, so trying not to slip on everything. But I made it to the bridge, and hopefully I'm not too far from the waterfall. Okay, there's the river. I'm assuming this is what's supplying the waterfall. I got to get down to the bottom of the waterfall yet. But it looks really nice, like every river around here. This is more of that blue water. When I was talking to the people in the restaurant, they said that this river is very, very acidy. Said it's almost, if you taste it, it almost tastes a little bit like lemon. I'm not going to taste it. I just thought I would share that along. So the blue comes down here and it merges with the river here. So when I can't really show you, but it all sort of blends together over there. It's pretty cool. Well, it's raining pretty good, and here's the next waterfall. Okay, here I am. I made it to the blue, where am I? Blue Falls. It's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. And I am going to, they actually got a border around this one. You can't go play. But I'm going to take a few photos down here.